I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you just click here on add contacts shortcut to home. Click on it here. You just click on it, you click here on add, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.